Hey guys, Ray here with Digital Footprint Solutions. Alright, so in this short tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to migrate your website with Cloudflare and Cloudways. Cloudflare is going to be our DNS provider, where we're going to be pointing the DNS records from HostGator, which is where the domain was purchased, over to Cloudflare. As for our hosting, we're going to be using Cloudways as our hosting provider. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure everything and have your site migrated with just a few steps. Alright, so stay tuned. So let's go over to Cloudflare. Then what we're going to do here, we're just going to simply log into our account. Once we're logged in, we're going to click on Add a Site. We're going to enter the name of our domain here. Now, what we're entering here is just the simple root domain. We're not entering the HTTPS, just the root domain. So in this case, it would be petcompanionesa.com. Click Add Site. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to select our free plan because we all like free. Click Continue. We need to click Continue here. So here we're going to copy the name server over to, in our case, HostGator, where the domain was purchased. So here we're going to change the name server. We're just going to copy, paste, go back over, copy the next name server, and then we're going to paste it here. Once we're done, we click on Save Name Servers. Now let's click on Done, check name servers, and then we're just going to do a quick start here. Click on Get Started. Then we're going to automatic HTTPS rewrite. We're going to save that. Always use HTTPS. We're going to enable that. Click Save. Then we're just going to auto minify the JavaScript and the CSS. Then click Save. Click Save here. And then finish. Alright, so now that we've set up our name server and it's now pointing to Cloudflare, let's go ahead and change the IP address. And what we need to do now is we're going to head over to Cloudways and we're going to grab the IP address of Cloudways. So we're just going to go ahead and copy the IP address here. We're going to go back into Cloudflare and we're going to then modify or update our records here. So we're going to click on Edit and we're just going to paste the new IP address inside here. We're going to change the status for proxy status and then we're going to click on Save. We're going to do the same thing for the wildcard. So we're going to click on Edit. We're going to paste the new IP address in. Click on Save. And let's also do it for the www version. So go ahead, paste, and then you're going to now save it. And that's it. So now what we need to do at this point is we just need for the propagation of the DNS to take place, which typically would take about 5 minutes or so, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less, but you can go ahead and check it. So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video and come back once that is done. Alright, so I'm back. Let's go ahead and check to see if it is active. So we're going to click on our little Cloudflare icon right there. Inside the search, we're just going to type the name of our domain. And yes, it is active. So we're all set and we're ready to go. Alright, so let's move now to the next phase of migrating the website to the actual domain name. Alright, so now we're on Cloudways. We're going to go to Domain Management. Inside here, we're going to type again just the root directory. In this case, it's going to be petcompanionesa.com. So once we do that, we're just going to click on Save. And we're going to wait a few seconds while it processes. Now that we're here, and let's go to installing our SSL. Alright, so to install our SSL, we need an email address. So we're going to type my email address inside the email address field. And then once we're done with that, we're just going to go ahead and type the domain name again. Again, we're just using the root directory of the domain. No HTTPS, no www. Once we're done, click on install certificate. Again, this can take maybe a minute or two, so just give it some time. Usually you may have to do the installation 1 or 2 times if you come up with an error, but once everything is pointing to Cloudflare, then we should be good. All right, so we are done and all is good to go. All right, so let's go to access. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to see if our website is live. So now our website should be live on petcompanionesa.com. Now, once the migration is done, there are times you may not see the images. That's because everything is not yet updated. So all we need to do is pretty much just go into our website and go on to the backend using the same username and password as your staging site. We're going to go to the website itself, and once we're here, I'm just going to enable my builder, and then all I'm going to do again is just resave it one more time. Now that I've done that, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go into incognito mode just to make sure everything is working properly. And here we go. All right, so our website has been successfully migrated to its domain name, and we're all good. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.